20-watt laser module integrates a micro-air pump inside, which can meet most tasks. If you have extreme needs, the laser module can still be connected to an external high-power air pump. Remove the screws. Move the focus bar to the bottom. Installation of right-angle quick couplings. Insert the air tube into the right-angle quick coupling. Move the focus bar to the top. Installation of 20-watt laser module. Note: the screws on the top of the backplate of the laser module need to be unscrewed by 3 mm. Note: the laser module needs to be pressed to the bottom. Align the laser with the x-axis hole and tighten the 2 screws. Press and tighten the 2 screws on the back of the slide plate. Insert the air hose through the retaining clasp and into the right-angle quick coupling. Insert the air hose of the external air pump into the air assist. Note: the ortur air pump is optional. You can also use your own air pump.